Hi, I'm Craig Ishii, Solutions Marketing with Logitech. We have a little something special that we're going to cover today. I'm located here at our offices in San Jose, and I'm going to show you just a few of our larger spaces here in the building. Now, one of the unique advantages of the partnership between Logitech and Zoom is that we have tailored solutions for meeting equity optimized for different types of rooms and spaces. And so today we're going to look at some of the ways that Logitech and Zoom are creating meeting equity by leveraging AI-powered experiences together. Okay, so let's go ahead and start in some familiar territory, and then we're going to venture out from there. Right now, we're here in this large room with a bowling-style alley table, and I want to just review a few Logitech products that work best in this kind of room. Now, many of you are already familiar with our Rally Bar, of course. It's our all-in-one video bar for medium and large spaces. Now, we also have our Rally mic pod system that extends the microphone pickup, and in this room, we've got Logitech Sight, which is going to both extend our microphone pickup as well as add a center-of-table camera that'll integrate with the Rally Bar that we have at the front of the room. Now, let's just talk about Sight here for another minute. As the number of participants grows inside the room, this is really where we start to see Sight deliver a transformative experience. Now, being able to get that additional camera angle right here in the center of the table, it's going to really allow people on the other end to feel closer to the action, almost like they're sitting right there in the room. And this, of course, is all integrated into the Zoom meeting experience. So that's a bowling-style alley room. Let's move to another space. Okay, for our next room here, we've got a space that's a bit more modular. Now you can see that we've currently got the space set up in a U-shaped table format for a classroom. We can also set up this room in a seminar style as well as a pod style setup for team meetings. Now, in a room like this, a center-of-table camera is not really going to be the best solution for this. So let's look at something a little bit different, this time leveraging 3 cameras at the front of the room, right over here, to give you a different perspective while achieving the same goal as before, and that is creating meeting equity. So here in this space, we start with a PC-based Zoom room, again leveraging Rally Bar mounted at the front of the room, right over here, containing our camera, microphones, and a speaker system, and then we've also got 2 standalone Rally PTZ cameras set up. And we've got 2 of them on the top corners of our display, and we've also got one back here at the back of the room that we're going to use as our dedicated presenter camera. And so what we're trying to do with this setup is ensure that we're getting camera coverage of all the people sitting in the room, but also have a dedicated, separate camera capturing the presenter at the front of the room. Now, with regard to audio, we've also got our Rally mic pod system in this room, but the difference here is that we're using the pendant mount system to hang those mics from the ceiling. Now, having the cameras mounted at the front of the room and the microphones hanging from the ceiling allow us to provide both microphone and camera coverage of the entire room, while also still allowing us to move the tables and chairs around in this room and keep it modular. Now, what I want to do next is talk through what this experience is going to look like, because we think it's really something special. We're going to be using Zoom's AI-powered Intelligent Director. Now, what makes Intelligent Director perfect for a room like this is that Zoom software is going to intelligently find the best view of the people in the room, and it's going to display them individually. And as you can see from the example that we're overlaying here, we're showing Intelligent Director and how it's subtiling the people in the room, and it'll display them individually over the available streams. So imagine how the remote participant, or even just the recording, gets to see individual faces. And again, it's just a transformative upgrade from just looking at a single camera that's showing the entire group. And of course, we have to also call out our dedicated presenter camera that's doing its work. As you can see from the example that we're showing, we've got the individual faces of those participants, as well as that presenter with their own dedicated tile. Cool. Let's look at one last room. So in most cases, using our integrated audio solutions with the Rally family of products is going to get you the easiest and most consistent audio experience for your meeting spaces. However, one of the benefits of working with Logitech and Zoom is that our solutions are also compatible with third-party audio DSPs, meaning that you can plug in systems like this Nareva system that I have in back of me here into one of the USB-A ports in the Rally Bar or Rally Bar Mini. And so you can integrate these more complex audio systems for use even in the most challenging of spaces. Now, you can, of course, also do something similar in a room with a roommate or a dedicated PC. And so if this is an option that interests you, be sure to check out Logitech's verified audio partners, and also be sure to read up on our documentation for audio DSP to learn about the technical specifications and limitations of using a third-party DSP. Okay, that's it for today. Large rooms have really always been tricky for folks in IT, but the solutions that we've shown today, we hope that it's really truly an opportunity to transform and evolve the experiences in those types of rooms. So that's a new logic of work. We'll see you next time.